Question number 22. A toy drone emits a sound of constant frequency 800 Hz. This is your actual frequency F0. Speed of the sound in the air is 330 meters per second. This is the value of speed of sound. The drone moves along a straight line path directed towards an observer, then continues in a straight line directly away from the observer. It just passes like this. The speed of drone is constant. What is the velocity of the drone when the frequency of the sound heard by the observer is 850 Hz? This is your F dash. What is the formula? Doppler effect. F dash is equal to F naught C divided by C minus Vs, right? Vs is the source velocity. So I can now write C minus Vs is equal to F naught C divided by F dash. Now let us substitute all the values. Let me do it here. C minus Vs is equal to, what is F naught? F naught is 800 multiplied by, what's the value of C? 330 divided by, what is this one, is 850. When I do this, where is it? Let me use my calculator. So I have 800 into 330 divided by 850. I get this as 310.58, nearly 311. 311 over here. What is C? C is 330. 330 minus V source equal to 311. V source should be 330 minus 311, which is around 19 meter per second. So 19 meter per second. So 19 meter per second. Now what is happening to the drone? So is the direction of velocity moving away or towards it? It is moving towards it. So therefore it is moving towards it. Answer should be C over here.